Chapter 9, number series, coding, decoding, odd man out. So first one we will start with coding, decoding and letter to digit coding. Then we will go for number series and all. Okay, first one. Look at this. This is letter to digit coding. First one, Ripple. R-I-P-P-L-E. Ripple is written as what? 613382. That means R means 6, I means 1, P means 3, then L means 8 and E means 2. Then life is coded as what? Life is coded as 8, 1, 9, 2. Then pillar is coded as what? We know that L is what? 8, 8. Then E is what? E is what? 2. Then R is what? 6. Then I is what? 1. Then P is what? 3. So 318826, which is the answer? Option A. Now this is not the method you should follow in exam hall. In exam hall, you will just take the common letters and we will just mark it. That's all. We will not do everything in the exam hall. We will not lose our time. Now look at this. Loss or loss. What is it? Loss is coded as, LOAC is coded as 1357. LOAC is coded as what? 1357. Gain, GAIN is coded as 2468. Then the figure 82146 is what is the question? First we will check 8. 8 means what? N. That means option C and D are wrong. Correct? Then if you look into it, we need to check the last letter now. What is the last letter? 6. 6 is what? I. That means what is the answer? Option A. This is the method you should use in the exam. Don't do everything. Okay. Next one. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E is coded as 34651. K-E-Y is coded as 217. Then Y-E-S is what? We know Y-E is what? 71. Because K-E-Y is what? 217. So E-Y is 17. So Y-E will be what? 71. What is the answer? Option A. Direct answer. Okay. Next one. Everyone, do you know alphabets? How many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets are there. What are the alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Yes. What time the LKG, right? Yes, now I am shy, sir, to sing, and that time I used to sing like this. Yay! Now, while learning this letters, there is a code for that. Yes, Ijoti. E means 5. J means 10. O means 15. T means 20. Y means 25. So, if you know these many letters, you can relate and know the other letters. E, J, O, T, Y. Ijoti. E for 5. Then J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. Now randomly I am asking you, what is the position of R? You should be thinking R, yes, T. T is 20. So that 18 should be the position of R. Then what is the position of Q? 17. O, P, Q. O is 15. Then P is there 16. Then Q is 17. Then what is the position of G? 7. E, F, G. That means 6 is F, then 7 is G. Then what is the position of M? 13. How do you know? M, N, O. M, N, O means M should be 13, then N is 14, O is 15. So likewise you can see any letters in the forward position. Now you will be like, sir, how can we calculate for backward position? That is very easy. 27 minus forward position. What is it? For example, what is the backward position of A? So we know that A is at first position from the forward, so it will be what? 26 position. So what is the backward position of M? That is nothing but 27 minus 13. That is what? 14 position. What is the backward position of L? 27 minus 12, which is equal to what? 15. Yes, keep a note of that. So that is written over here. So A is in first position in the forward and 26th in the backward. Likewise, a table is given. If you ask me, no one is going to learn the table and all. So we don't need that. Okay, next one. So that is Ijoti. Each position is what? 5. J is 10. O is 15. T is 20. Y is what? 25. Then backward position is what? 27 minus forward position. Then, yeah, sometimes the entire set of word will be given. For example, cat. What is the sum of all the letters? So 3 plus 1 plus 20. What is it? 24. So 24 is the, they will say that cat is coded as 24. Then dog is coded as what? 4 plus 15 plus G is what? 7. How much is it? 27. Now I'll ask you a question with respect to dog. If you put no. Tack we will take. The ulta of tack is what? Sorry, cat is what? Tack. T-A-T-A-C. Now we need to know what is the sum of tack? Will it change? Will it change? Will the code change? No, it will also be what? 20 plus 1 plus, how much is it? That is also 24. Now, sometimes, certain times, they will ask you to find the backward position of these letters. For example, dog. Randomly, how can you find it? There is a shortcut for that also. 27 into number of letters minus sum of forward position. For dog will become what? 27 into 3 minus which one? Sum of what? Oh, dog is 26. Sorry. So 27 into 3 minus what? 26. How much is that answer? That is 26 into 3 is how much? 27 into 3 is how much? 81 minus 26. That is equal to how much? 55. That way also sometimes they can ask. Now the first question. Frame is coded as this, then arise is coded as what? Frame. F means what? F is nothing but 0, 6, 6th position. Then R is at 18th position. A is at 0, 1 position. So arise is what? 0, 1, 0, 1, 8. I is what? 0, 9. Then S is what? 1, 9. E is what? 0, 5. What is the answer? Option E. Then next one. In good question. In a certain code, exam is coded as 39, paper is coded as 51, then pass is coded as what? Previous year question. So exam. E-X-A-M. What is the sum of all the letters? 5 plus. X is how much? X is how much? 20? 24. Yes, Y is 25. Plus 1 plus 13. How much is it?
43.
43. But it is coded as 39. Something is there. Some minus 4 is happening. That's why it is coded as what? 39. Then similarly, paper. Paper is how much? P is how much? Which position? 16. 16 plus 1 plus 16 plus 5 plus 18 is equal to how much? 56. But it is coded as 51. So minus 5 is happening over here. Now what is this minus 4 and minus 5? That is the number of letters. We are reducing the number of letters. That means paper is having how many letters? 5. Exam is having how many letters? 4. Now how pass will be coded? P-A-S-S. That means P is at what position? 16 plus 1 plus S is at what position? 19 plus 19, which is equal to how much? 50? 55. 55 minus 4 is how much? 51. Answer is what? Option B. This is the method. Okay? Is that clear? Can we do the next question? In a certain code language, the word ant is assigned with value of what? 62. Following the same coding pattern, what would be the code for NAND. A and D and is coded as 62. Now in the forward position, A is what? The 1 plus 14 plus 4. How much is it? It is equal to how much? 19. But is 19 equal to 62? No. That means it is not as per the forward position. It is as per the backward sum. Backward sum is equal to what? The backward sum is equal to 3 into how many are 27 minus what? 19. How much is it? That is equal to 62. That means it is as per the backward sum. So NAND will be sum or coded as what? Coded as what? You tell me. Yes, 4 into 27 minus what? One more n is coming into the picture. That will be how much? That will be 33. How much is the answer? 75. So NAND is how much forward position? 33. Yes, 14 plus. We know that AND is already how much? 19, which is equal to 33. So that is how much? Minus 33. You are getting it as how much? 75. Answer is what? Option A. Next question. Letter to letter coding. That means a letter is coded as another letter. Okay. We know that, right? Like girlfriends and boyfriends, they will say the name as BSNL and all. Yes. Yes. Instead of writing the boy's name, they will write BSNL. In our time, it was like that. Then if I get a call, they will, yeah, the BSNL is calling. Vodafone is calling. Yeah. Back in my age, I don't know now. Yes. Now BSNL is not there. Yeah. Yeah, for me also BSNL is not there. Yes. Now, type 3. Letter to letter coding. Now, look at this. Madras. MADRAS is coded as NBESBT. Okay. Now, what is happening? M is becoming N. How can M become N? Plus 1. How can A become B? Plus 1. D become E? Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. So, Delhi will become what? D plus 1 is E. E plus 1 is F. From that, answer is what? Option C is your answer. Next question. Honey, HONEY is coded as JQPGA. So, H plus what is J? H plus 2. O plus 2 Q. N plus 2 is P. E, F, G. That means plus 2. Y, Z. Then again A. There is nothing like that. Our number plate and all. A and all. It's not there. It is like what? Once Z is done, again it will start with what? A itself. So it is A. Now you tell me which word is coded as VCT. So the code is given. VCTIGVU is given. So we need to find the word. So minus 2 we will take. What is it? T is there. Then C minus 2 is what? A. That means looking at it, it is targets. Option C is your answer. Now look at the question. Mention is coded as what? LNEITNO. Then present is coded as what?
Option B.
So what is happening? M is becoming L. How can M become L? Minus 1 or plus 1? Plus 1 or minus 1? Minus 1. Yes, LM. So it is minus 1. But here what is happening? They are getting interchanged. All the other letters are getting interchanged. So what is the answer? So P will become what? P minus 1 is what? O. That means it will become what? ER. OER. Which is option D is your answer. Just interchanging the things. Next one. In a certain code language, beat is written as YVZG. Then mild will be written as what is the question? BEAT is written as YVZG. Then MILD is written as what? What is it, people? The coding is backward coding. So B is second from the forward position. Y is second from the backward position. E is fifth from the forward position. V is fifth from the backward position. A is first from the forward position. Z is first from the backward position. Similarly, M is 13th from the forward position. N is in the forward from the backward position. Who is at 13th position? 27 minus what is 13? That is 14 is 13. So 14 is at, who is at 14th position? The N. So N, which is the answer. Oh, one more thing we need to check. Then D is there. We will check at the D. Or D, yeah, D we will check. D is fourth from the forward position. Who is fourth from the backward position? W. So D is your answer. Got it? Yes. Thanks. Is written as SKNTHA. What is happening? The first three letters are becoming the last three letters, and it is written in the ulta, in the reverse order. So stupid will become what? DIP stew. Dip stew. Yes. Which is the answer? Option D is your answer. Next, we did this question already, right? Yes. Now you tell. That we will do. You can ask. Yes. What comes at the last place in R, U, X, A, D? So what is happening? R, S, T, U plus 3. V, W, X. Y, Z, A. B, C, D. E, F, G. Answer is what? G. Okay, plus 3 is the thing. Now look at this question. Option C, we will check. Now what is happening here? We need to check. Yeah, we will check this. P is becoming what? P is becoming R. How can P become R? Q, R. That means plus 2. Then R become T. Is it plus 2? Yes, T. P, Q, R. R, yes, T plus 2. This is what? Plus 2. Next will be what? Plus 2. That will be what? The X. Yes. Then next one is what? The C is becoming F. C is becoming F in what way? D, E, F plus 3. Then F become I plus 3. Then plus 3. Then L become this one. L is becoming plus 3. That is what? M, N, O. That means it is O. X, O. Which is the answer? Option C. We don't even need to look at the numbers. Certain times these codes will be same. We need to look at the numbers in that case. What the? Which one now? Oh, okay. Two options are there. Yes. This is the question. This was the thing I was telling. If that is there, we should look at it. So look here. 3, 5, 8, 12. What is the difference between them? 2. What is the difference between them? 3. What is the difference between them? 4. Next number should be what? Plus 5. That is what? 17. Option C. Okay, good. Get me that. Get me that. Health. Health is written as IFBMUL. So what is happening? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Everything is plus 1. So north will be what? The north will be what? This is not plus 1. H is becoming L. H is becoming I. H I J K L. That is plus 4. But it doesn't affect us. N plus 1 is what? The OR. Yes. Option A is the answer. It doesn't matter. Now, which of the following is an odd one? Different people are telling different things. We will check. C is becoming E. C plus what is E? Plus 2 is E. F, G, H plus 3. H is becoming L. I, J, K, L plus 4. We need to check whether the pattern is followed. Plus 2, 3. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. K is becoming M. L, M plus 2. M is becoming P. Plus 3 or? Yes. Plus 3. Then plus 4 is there? Yes. Then O is becoming Q. PQ plus 2. Q is becoming T. R, S, T. That is plus 3. X, T is becoming X. U, V, W, X. That means plus 4. So that means option D should be the answer. Check there. N is becoming P. Plus 2 or? Yes. P is becoming S. Plus 3 or? Then S is becoming V. Plus 3. That means the pattern is here plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. In all the other it is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Now, the question from the recent summer is coded as runner. Then winter is coded as water. 3, 6, 3, 6. What is happening to the last two letters? They are not changing. Correct? So we will write ER. What is happening to the second letter? That is also not changing. So which is the answer? B. Option B is your answer. You don't need to write everything. Just go with what is given. Can we do the next question? Yes. Fine. Next one. In a certain code, 256 means you are good. 637 means we are bad. 358 means good and bad. Which of the following represent and? How to solve these type of question? Find the common words and the numbers. So we require what the and. And is present in which one? The last line. Good and bad. So we require to find what is good and what is the code for bad. So good is common in you are good and good and bad. That means 256 and 358, which is common. 5 is common. So 5 means what? Good. Then bad we need to find. Bad. Bad is common in the last one and the second one. What is 637 and 358? That means 3 means bad. Now what is the remaining thing? 8 means and. Answer is option C. In a certain code language, Dugo Humo stands for work is very hard. Hugo Dugo Baki means bingo is very smart. Nano Mul Dugo means cake is hard. Mulki Go means smart and hard. Now the thing is, which of the following is the code for what? Bingo. Bingo is present in which one? The second one. Now we need to check what is very smart. Then if you eliminate that, we will get bingo. Is very is common in the first and second line. You tell me what is very. Common letters in first and this is very. Hue and what is that? Dugo. That means is very means what? I am writing hue and Dugo. Yes. Then we need to find smart. Smart is present in second line and what the last line. What is common there? Key. That means smart is what the key. Then what is the remaining one? Ba means bingo. Okay. Yes. Next question. This was a question was there in this attempt, right? Based on this? Yes. In a certain code, 493 means friendship difficult challenge. 961 means struggle difficult exam. So 178 means exam believable subject. Then which digit is used to for believable? Believable is there in which one? The last one, 178. We will check. Exam is common in 961 and 178. That means 1 means what? The exam. Then believable is common in anything? No. Subject is common in everything? No. That means either 7 or 8 is your answer. So that is your letter based and word based coding, but there is a special one, repeating series coding. There is only one question based on repeating series that is there in your first page of ICAI material itself. and that itself is given wrongly. Yes, yeah, that is not given in a proper format. So we need to know what is letter repeating series. It was never asked in the previous year, but there is a chance that it can come for your exam. We are lucky, right? Yeah. Now, you are lucky enough, think that you are always lucky and write the exam. But don't do the ingy bingy thinking that you are too lucky. Now, when we are having 12 letters, how can you split 12? Can I split it as 6 letters of 2 set each? Or I will mostly split it as 4 letters of 3 each or 3 letters of 4 set each. Then when there is 15, I will split it as 5 letters of 3 each or 3 letters of 5 each. Then there is 18. 16 I'll write. 16 means only 4 into 4. Then 18 means what? 6 into 3 or 3 into 6. Now I will show you how it will come for exam. This is the pattern for exam. We need to find who are the missing numbers. Now, how many are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 letters means either we can split it as 3 letters of 4 set or 4 letters of 3 set. How do you want to divide? It's up to you. Your choice. Which one? I am dividing it into 4 of 3. Let's see. If it's not working, we will change it. That's all. Now you tell me. In the second set, every set, the second letter is what? A. But people, do you have the second letter in everywhere? No. That means this is not possible. We will split it like what? We will split it of 3 of 4 each. Okay? 3 of 4 set. Now, what is the last letter? Everywhere last letter should be what? A. So, can you fill anywhere? Yes, A can be filled here. Then, what is the first letter? B. So, we are filling everywhere first letter B. What is the second letter? That is also, that is left. No, this is actually wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Yes. We will cut it into 4 of 3 each. Then we will assume things based on the given options. Now, if you want, you can cut into 2 also. That is also possible. Yes. Now, if you are cutting into 2, we will cut again. Yes. Then how many are cut off cutting into 2? Then yes. AB. AB is there throughout. AB is there. Then this should be what? B. Then first letter should be what? A. Second letter should be what? B. Then AB. Yes. What is the missing thing? AB, BA, B. Which is the answer? B is your answer. If you are cutting it into 4 also, that is also fine. That the only thing we are going to do is we will assume based on the options. That's all. It's always try to cut it based on 4 because most of the cases that will give you the answer. Next one. 3. Total how many are there? 3, 6, 9, 12, 16. 16 means we will cut it into how many parts? 4. 1, 2, 3. Now, look at the first letter. First letter should be what? Everywhere it is B, so we will fill B everywhere. Second letter everywhere it is A, so we will fill A here. Then last letter is what? B. So we will fill B everywhere. Then third letter is what everywhere? A. Now what are the fill letter? B, B, A, B. What is the answer? Option C is your answer. Then final thing. This is taken from your model test paper. A question was there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 are there in total. That means how many ways we can cut? We can either cut it as 3 of, or we can cut it as what? 6 of 3. Now look at this. ABC, ABC, ABC. So first one is C. Here also C. And the first letter is, third letter is what? This is A, then this is B. You tell me. C, C, A, B. What is the answer? Option C is the answer. Just cut it and mark it. Now the final one. Our types of series and odd man out based on numbers. Okay. You know these natural numbers. What are natural numbers now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now the next question. What are prime numbers? You should know till 17 at least. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Next number is 19. Next number is 23. Next number is 29. Next number is 31. Next number is 37. Next number is 44 is not possible. It is 41. Okay. Now the thing is, you should know at least till 19 or 17 is more than enough. You will be able to answer. Now, is 1 a prime number or is 1 a composite number? No. It is neither prime nor composite. So whenever we cannot explain something, right, in maths, we will say it is not that and it is not this also. That's how it happens. Now, one extra thing is given here. Just look at this. What is it? Fibonacci series. That means we will add the first two numbers to get the third number. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Then 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. 21. 34. How much is it? Next number is 21 plus 34 is how much? 55. Likewise, it goes on. That is Fibonacci series. Now you tell me, what is the missing number of this series? 4, 16, 26, 256, 1024. Now, whenever there is a huge increment, right? Huge increment. Square or multiplication is involved. Square or power, I'll write power. Power or multiplication is involved. Yes. So 4. Next number is what? 4 into 4, that is 16. Next number will be what? 16 into 4, that is how much? 64. 64 into 4 is how much? 256. 256 into 4 is how much? Yes. So answer is what? 64. Here product is involved. And there can be multiple patterns also for the same number series. And sometimes your pattern will be wrong also. Yeah, it can also happen. Because when we complicate question, one or the other pattern will give another answer. So that is there. Always keep that in mind. Now look at this. Find the next number in the series. 7, 23, 47, 119, 167. What is happening here? Now, whenever you see 7, whenever you see 23 and all, you should think that 24 also, whichever is revolving around 5 square. 5 square is how much? 25. That means they might have taken the square and reduced something. Or taken the square and added something. Now, here what would have been the case? 8. Can I say that 3 square minus 2? Can I say this as 5 square minus 2? Can I say this as 7 square minus 2? This is what the 11 square minus 2. This is what the 13 square minus 2. But what is the pattern? Prime numbers. Prime numbers. The next prime number is what? 17 square minus 2. How much is it? 287 is the answer. Now tell me what is the next number. First one is 2 square. This is 4 square. This is 6 square. This is 8 square. This is 10 square. Next one will be 12 square. What is the answer? 144. Option A is your answer. Now, find out the next term from this. Now, I'll give you a tip. Whenever there is a small increment, what is happening? Some type of summation is happening. Now, check the difference between them. 7. Next is 15. Next is 31. Now, what is the difference between them? 8. This is what? 16. Next should be what? It can be 24. We will check. If it is 24, this will become how much? 55. 55 plus 59 is how much? 114 can be the answer. Yes. Any other pattern? Any other pattern? Yes. 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 6 into 2 is how much? 12. 12 plus 1 is how much? 13. 13 into 2 is how much? 26. 26 plus 2 is how much? 28. 28 into 2 is how much? 56. 56 plus 3 is how much? 59. Then 59 into how much da? 59 into 2 plus how much da? Plus 4. How much is it? 122. So what do you think? What can be the answer? Why 114? Second is also good. Both can be the answers. If you ask me, both can be the answer, but the ICAI answer key was 112. Oh, sorry, 122. Yes, 122 was the ICAI answer key, but this pattern is also possible if you ask me. Yes. Yeah.
So what will happen in that case?
You need to send a mail. Yeah. Yeah. You need to send a mail.
Will they check, sir?
They will check. There is something called as, right, correction. Correction, if you find any mistake in the question paper, by this date, you can send a mail. You can always do that. That's how you get grace mark. If everyone is like, I will not send, my friend will send. No one will send. Even the friend will be thinking that, he will be sending. So, many people pass exam because of that reason. Okay. Yes, keep that in mind. If you find any mistake, raise straight away. Even if you think that is a stupid mistake, send it. Sometimes it will give you marks. I know people who cleared because of that. Sending a mail and getting grace marks. I have seen people getting exactly 40. Yes. Yeah, that is possible. The missing value of this. So whenever it is given in fraction. So the question is given in what? A fraction. So we will check the numerator, how's the change happening. Plus 5, plus 10, then some other number. We don't know that number. What do you think the next number can be?
Plus 15.
Plus 15 can be one possibility. If you say plus 15, what will be the next number? Plus 33. Is 33 there in the option? No. That means that is wrong. Then it should be plus 20. We are multiplying it into 2, into 2. Then next number should be what? Into 2, that is how much? The 40. That means plus 40. That is 38 plus 40 is how much? 78. That means our assumption is right. Option D is your answer. In certain cases, two options will have numerator 38. What you will do? You will check the denominator also. 8 is becoming 19. Then 19 is becoming 41. Then dash. What is it? Into 2 plus 3. Into 2 plus 3. Next, into 2 plus 3 is how much? 85. That means option D is your answer. Next one. Complete the series. 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, 342. How much, sir? What is the pattern?
Sir, you can take the different.
Or we can say, can I say 2 cube minus 1? 3 cube minus 1? 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 6 cube minus 1, 7 cube minus 1, finally 8 cube minus 1. What is the answer? 5, 1, 1. Did you get that answer, Doc? Yes, perfect. And I'm telling you, multiple patterns can be there. And a series is considered to be good. Even the multiple patterns should give the same answer. Got it? Yeah. Next one. A tip for you, whenever 0.5 is there in the option, in the initial numbers 0.5 is not there, but going towards the other side 0.5, then 0.75, 0.25, everything are showing up one random day. That means multiplication with some 0.5 is involved. It can be 1.5, it can be 2.5, it can be 0.5, that is involved. Some decimal product is happening. That's why it is happening all of a sudden. Now you tell me, how will 4 become 6 into 1.5? Into 1.5. 9 become 13.6 into 1.5. Then 13.5 into 1.5 is how much, doc? 20.25. Option B is your answer. Now tell me who is the odd man. So 8 is what? 2 cube. 25 is what? 5 square. This is 4 cube. This is what? 5 cube. This is what? 6 cube. It should have been actually 27. That should have been 3 cube. So answer is what? The 25 is the odd man. Look at this. Why 26? Yes, one person already told the answer. Everything else is a multiple of 3. So 26 is not a multiple of 3. That means 26 is the odd man. Next one. 1, 5, 14, 30, 49, 55, 91. Why 49? Plus 5 square, huh? No, 1 is a perfect square. Yes. 1 is a perfect square, right? 1 plus 2 square. That is 5. Then plus 3 square. Okay. Plus 4 square. Then next should be what? Plus 5 square. That should have been 55. 49 should not have been there in the group itself. Answer is what? 49. Very good. Yes. Find the odd man out of the following. You tell me. Yes, Vinisha. Now tell the answer. What is the answer for this?
81.
81. Why? 81 is a perfect square. Yes. Answer is what? Option B. Tell me, which is the odd man? I got the answer just at a glance. 77. Why? Not a perfect square. It should have been 81. Everything else is a square. 15 square, 14 square, 13 square, 12 square, 11 square, 10 square, then 8 square. So 77. Next one. Why 72? Yes, 15 square, 14 square, 12 square, 6 square, 5 square, 4 square. Answer is 72. That is your chapter 5. 5 marks question can be there from that particular chapter. Yes. After this, we are going to chapter 13. Everyone can take a 5 minutes break. Okay. Yes.